Hey everybody, it's Dick here. If you've seen our last video, you'll know that Fannie's bike had a critical mechanical failure of the cooling fan, resulting in the engine emergency misfiring. In this video, we collect the bike and see the offending damaged part in the flesh, and discuss with the service professionals what had happened.
See the fan?
Oh, we didn't see the busted fan.
Do you want to see it?
Yeah. We'd love to.
Never seen it before?
No.
Never seen it. Maybe the assembly's come apart, or
Yeah.
they've not put it together properly, but it's very strange. We've never seen it say hot on the dash or anything like that, so hopefully he's still got it here. Which he hasn't. How cold of it is snowing?
Oh,
I've got a key.
cheers.
Tom just asked.
Thanks, Dan.
He was going to show you the fan out the front.
Oh, he just went out with it. Everyone's showing us the fan.
That's where it is. Give it here.
Just so you can feel or see.
Yeah. I thought it was touching on the.
So it goes that way round.
It's not touching or anything.
So you can.
It's internal.
It's internal, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's not.
Give that a spin,
No motor's
or give that a brush. I thought it was actually pressed up against the rad.
When I first handled it, I thought it was rubbing against the side of the cage.
Yeah.
It's not.
No, there's no motion.
So
Do you think one of you guys will
We're going to cut it out.
dissect this?
Well,
yeah.
we're kind of happy it's the fan.
Yeah.
It's a bigger issue then. It's an easy fix.
I think one of the
And
magnets
then you
has come
checked, because there was a big explosion of coolant,
Yeah.
so there's
It's all been
no
checked.
leaks or anything in the...
It'll have an
Okay.
overflow. So when you get up to a certain pressure, it'll have a pressure release. So
Okay.
if something like that happens,
Just imagine when the kettle boils,
And it-
obviously it wants to overflow, doesn't it? And that's
Yeah.
Yeah.
it'll
It's
have
just
it'll have
a
release
pressure
to basically
system.
stop it exploding.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it doesn't affect the braking of the engine?
No.
Yeah, Dan had said, that's crazy. Dan
Yeah.
had said they checked the level and there was only down about 100 mil of fluid, and there's, I think, about a gallon or something through the whole system, so there's quite a amount.
It was a minimal amount that came out.
Yeah.
I can understand why it was alarming.
If you guys think about it, or whoever takes that apart, if you could snap pictures and send that, or have Colin send it up to us, because I'd be really
I reckon it's one of the
interested.
magnets, because the magnets obviously stuck around. And
Yeah.
the armature, I think, caught one of the magnets.
Yeah.
It's dragged it round.
Yeah.
I'm expecting to see one of the magnets has come out.
I think you'll be surprised too, is that you're going to hear the fan actually come on. I don't think I've ever,
Feel it.
I haven't ever actually heard the fan come on that
Quite loud,
bike. Yeah.
you can hear it.
On those, when the fan comes on, it brushes on your legs, so you'll
Okay.
you'll notice it.
All right.
So you'll hear it, but you'll feel
Okay.
it as well if it gets hot.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to just putter around a little bit just to make sure
Get it
that.
up to temperature. and
Yeah.
it'll really come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we'll look at temp and then. Okay.
Weirdly, it came on PDI though, so
Yeah. It must have.
it's one of our checks. One of our
Yeah.
checks is that we make sure the fan comes on when they get back from road test.
Yeah.
So it's a bit of a weird one.
Some.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
Or a struck bearing or something.
We're going to drill it. You've got to drill it out. So I'll put it through as a warning claim and then drill the end out, and then we'll see
Cool. Yeah, we're interested to see
what's going on.
what's going on.
Yeah, ride around for a bit.
All
Make sure it gets up to temperature.
Cool.
Dan's obviously checked it, so we're happy
Sure.
that it's
Yeah.
all good.
Okay.
Okay.
peace of
Well,
mind,
fingers
if you want.
crossed.
Yeah.
nothing else happens.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Perfect day
much
as well.
appreciated.
Yeah, it's a good day for a ride.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Safe trip back.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks. You happy with that explanation? Why don't you warm your bike up, scroll through the info button, see if you can find the display. I think so. Scroll through it again. I think that's the one. Title's fine.
Magnet broke up.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna cut the bike. Look at that. The magnets. That looks melted or broken.
No, I had to heat it up to get the top cap on.
Ah,
So it's a sealed unit,
that's crazy.
but it's the magnet that's broken up and they're jammed in.
The bearing's still there. Yeah, the bearing's fine. You see inside? See all the shards?
I see it. Yeah, that's crazy.
That's nuts. Sounds good. Is this the temp we're watching for? So what does NE stand for?
Neutral.
Oh, neutral. Of course. Thanks, Tom.
If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.